I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 116 of Building the 1966 Batmobile. In this issue, we are starting something new. We're starting putting the internals to the external. That's the best way of describing it, I think. Anyway, we'll find out. The Great Train Robbery is what we're after today. We still have Calamity Jan. That's not Calamity Jan, because Calamity Jan's a lady person, but I don't know who it is. I haven't seen any pictures yet of her. But there we go. We've got Fear Gas. It's the one where Batman challenges Shame to a showdown in the street. That must be Shame, but I don't know. Shame. I don't know. Batman Incorporated, #1. It's obviously international version. There we go. Comic book noir, black and white, filled with greys. Okay, it's not just black and white artwork. It's black and white morality. That's interesting. And some colour on the cover. That's quite cool. There's a bit different look at things. Batman has always been a little bit darker. I mean, the Dark Knight, but he's definitely darker. So yes, this is the inside skirting panel for later assembly. Get another one of those soon. But we're putting a bracket on the inside of the back to obviously fix that at a later date. We've obviously got another one of those to come at some point for the other side. So it won't take long to do this build. Let's get this out of the way and start with it. So today we have a skirting panel, obviously for around the outside at some point, but not yet. And I don't know what that bracket's for, but we're not using that yet either. We do have some EM screws, of which we are going to be using 2. If I can get a second one out, not 3, 2. That can go to the side for later. And that is the bracket that we're going to be fitting. And we're fitting that to the interior of our front end, over that side there. Carefully resting that there. It's going on there like that. A strange fitting piece. I don't know if that's going to fit there. I don't know where that's going to go. We'll figure it out when we're told to. But for now, this is going to go over there like that. Now what I'm going to do is just get these screws in lightly to hold that in place, because I don't want to put any pressure down on the windscreens. So we get that on there like that, and I will go and tighten that up behind the scenes. That's obviously going to fit from the edge against the lower chassis, and that's probably going to go underneath like that. Is that the lower half of that? Probably. That sort of matches up and lines up. So yeah, that's going to go on there afterwards. Oh, that's going to attach to that. Look, we've got 2 holes there. That's going to line up nicely with that. So that's going to go, it's there probably, and that's going to go like that. And that's obviously then going to attach further along. So yeah, we'll figure that out. But for now, another issue is completed. I'll see you next time, when I'm guessing we're going to do the same on the other side, but I could easily be wrong. It's happened before. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.